Welcome back, everybody. It's Stephen Young. Guess what? We have some incredible news. That's what this video is all about. Canada just surpassed 40 million people now in the country of Canada. Now, it doesn't sound like a lot if you're outside Canada. Maybe you're in a country like the United States where you have 10 times the population. But for Canada, that is an incredible number. It's taken us a long time to get to that number. In fact, in 1997, not that long ago, we were just at 30 million. That makes us an average net migrator of over 300,000 people per year. But just last year, we were just below 39 million people. So what does that mean? We had over 1 million people come to this country last year. It was an absolutely staggering number. The cool thing about it, there are actual websites you can go and check out, and you can follow the population growth. Here is an amazing thing. It's Stats Canada, which I recommend you go and check out. It tracks the amount of people. They actually, in fact, have a live, if you check this out, they have a live population clock that you can track. And since midnight of last night, we added 1,851 people. Staggering numbers, okay? Now, of those people coming to Canada, about 43% of them actually land in Ontario, and more specifically in Toronto. Now, what does that mean? Well, guess what, boys and girls? As cool as it is having all this population growth, which I absolutely love, it's the number one driving factor in real estate. Just to recap, we have a video down below in the link. And by the way, subscribe, like this channel, give us some comments. Really love the feedback. Guess what? I'm going to put the link to this video, but we discussed the 4 factors that affect the price values of real estate. So if you're a real estate investor, the number one thing you want to hear about is population growth. So this is a brief summary of what we did speak about, of the 4 key factors that affect the real estate values that move the markets upwards. And the number one factor is population growth. Now, I'm not going to get into all the details of each one. That's in a different video, and I'll have the link below for you to go and review that if you wish. But interest rates, which again, we're in a high interest rate environment. The economy, we're not great right now in Canada. Government policies, you know how bad they are in Canada. But the number one factor affecting real estate values and growth is population growth. And we are outpacing pretty much just about everybody, because a lot of people from all around the world want to come to Canada. Canada has what people are offering. It's safe, there's opportunities, there's job growth, there's technology that's coming here. There's a lot of things and a lot of reasons why people want to be here. Now, that being said, when it comes down to it, as a real estate investor specifically, or look, even if you're just trying to get into the marketplace, if you're on the sidelines and you're like, I'm just going to wait for the market to come down, it's not coming down. As much as I love people coming to this country, they bring their thoughts, their ideas, their skill sets. You know, it adds to our workforce. There's so many things, amazing people come to this country. Look, they're bringing their dogs, their cats, their family, you know, their cultural, you know, information they're bringing to it's absolutely amazing for a melting pot like Canada. But the one thing they're not bringing is their house that they lived in back wherever they came from. So what they need when they come here, first and foremost, is somewhere to live. So as a real estate investor, it's amazing because it's going to drive the prices further and further up. Now, another factor affecting it, and if I can get this up here for you, we're gonna show you this, which is not great. Here are the monthly starting information. Again, you can go to Stats Canada. This is on CMHC website. I'll leave some links below in the description. The housing trends for Canada this month, they track them every single month, have declined by 28%. So we're in this incredible growth period of population, which is the number one factor affecting real estate value pricing going upwards. And now we're in a market where it's declining housing starts, meaning they're not building as many houses as they should be. This huge gap that's happening, all that means is prices are going to continue to go further and further upwards. Now, the governments are trying with interest rates and curbing things and trying to suppress the economy, but it'll get to a point where it won't matter anymore. Case in point, the real estate market, especially in Toronto, is still super red hot, even though interest rates are crazy high right now. It doesn't matter. People need somewhere to live, period. So we have declining house starts, which is a big issue with labor force. Like, we don't have enough people to build the amount of homes that we need. We don't have skilled trades, but that's what I love about a lot of these immigrants who are coming in. They are skilled tradespeople. So it's actually really going to help the economy. But what's happening when you have this huge population growth and these declining housing starts, you will see this in the next, 2 to 5 years. It is going to be astronomically impossible. Not, I don't want to say impossible, but it is going to be a very difficult market to enter into in the housing market, especially in Toronto, where you have, close to 450,000 new people coming to the market. And last year, we only had 20,000 homes actually completed and built in the city of Toronto. So the mathematics just doesn't work out, but the mathematics does work out if you're a real estate investor. And that's what we're here for. And I really hope you follow us and follow along, because we're here to guide you, show you how to do it and how to do it properly. All the best.